How to remove filler words in Audiate. First of all, open your project in Audiate and let the software transcribe your audio into text. Audiate's text-based editing makes it easy to identify filler words like you know, and like directly in the transcript. Next, scroll through the transcription and locate the filler words you want to remove. Simply highlight the filler words in the text and press the delete key. Audiate will automatically remove the corresponding audio segment, making your recording sound cleaner and more professional. If you want to speed up the process, use the search function to find common filler words quickly by pressing Ctrl+F. This helps you jump to each instance without manually scanning the entire transcript. After deleting filler words, listen to your audio to ensure the edits sound natural. Audiate's AI does a great job of maintaining smooth transitions, but you can manually adjust any cuts if needed by dragging the audio clips or adding fades. And that's it. Now you know how to remove filler words in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.